Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to buy a product from Temu. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first of all guys, we need to get a discount in Temu before I install it. So the first thing, open your browser and then go to this link. You will find it in the description below. Tap here and write rebrand.ly/Temu 100. So this link you will get a discount in your account. Then tap go, and as you can see here, this is Temu. Tap claim and then tap this icon to install Temu in your phone. Now wait a moment. Perfect. After installing Temu, tap open. And next guys, we need to create a new account. So here you can create account with Apple or with Google. Well, for demonstration, I'll choose Apple. Then tap continue. Continue with your passcode. Perfect. And perfect. Now guys, as you can see here, we have a discount for $100. Now you can buy any products you want for easy. Okay, so for example, if you want to buy a product, for example, I'll choose this one. You can also see the picture of the customer that they already buy this product. Just go down and tap see all and tap photo videos, and here you can see all the products customer that they buy this product before. Okay, as you can see here. Perfect. Now if you want to buy this product, very easy. The first thing that you need to do is to select your size. Well, I'll select this. Then guys, select your colors. For example, I'll select this one and then tap add to cart. Then tap here. And as you can see, this is the product that we need to buy. Well, for example, if you want to remove any product that you don't want to buy it, just tap here and it will be removed. Perfect. Now then tap here and tap checkout. Now as you can see here, the minimum price to buy from Temu is $25. Okay, this is the minimum price to buy it. Now let's add some products. For example, this one. Select this and add it to cart. And the price now is $31, as you can see. Now the first thing here, you need to fill your information like your name and your address and your city, postal code and number phone. So make sure to write the correct information because the company shipping will contact you by this information. Okay, so pay attention to write the correct information. Now for the first time, first select your country, then write your first name and then write your last name and then write your address here, and for example test for example. Then select your region and select your city and then write here your number phone. So you need to write a correct number phone because the company shipping will contact you by this number. So please write it correctly. Okay, perfect. Then save this information, and the next step here, you need to add your payment method. So you can pay by Apple Pay, or if you have the credit card, you can pay with a credit card. So here I prefer credit card. Write your card number, then your expiration date and the CVV code. Okay, so after that, after writing your payment information, you will pay the order. Okay, or your order will send it. So what's happened after that? After pay your products, you need to wait at least 2 days. Okay, After that, Temu will send a product from you. Okay, so if you want to track your product, very easy. Come back here and go to you, select you here, and go to your orders, and you will find all your orders here. So if your order is processing, you can find it here in the section processing, or if it's shipped, you can find it here, and also if delivered, you can also find it here. Okay, so you can track your order step by step. Okay, so all your information tracking, you will find it here. So this is how you can buy products from Temu, and this is how you can track your product. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and see you to the next video.